Hey there. In this video, I'm creating unicorn organizer for your desk. Grab a box and some paper towel rolls. I'm gonna cut the sides of the box. Covering both things with some colored paper. Attaching the rolls to the box with my glue gun. Covering the box with white felt. Now it's time for the decoration. Let's get into it. Using some flowers and palms. Sketching the hair and coloring it with some markers. Giving it the cutest expression. This is really looking cute. You can leave it like this, but I want to add ears and horn shape. Cutting the ears and horn shape from felt and glitter foam sheet. Now gluing them with glue gun. And here you go. The final results. It turned out really cute. Let's organize some stationery in it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment.
Bye!